Hello friends, when you are planning to make a professional website using WordPress, you need to select a perfect WordPress theme. And when you are looking for great WordPress themes, you can find all here on this channel, WP Themes. You can choose and compare themes, plugins and other resources for your WordPress website here. And in this video, we have Ubit WordPress theme, which is a dedicated theme for fashion store website. Yes, it is a theme for WooCommerce, that is for creating an e-commerce website. Yes. So Ubit is the target theme that we are going to overview in this video, and we are going to create a demo website using this theme so that we may understand its complete functionalities, the installation steps, the customization options, what is available, because it is important to understand everything before you choose this theme or any other theme. So you have numerous choices on this channel. So let us proceed with Ubit in this video, and we are going to create a website like any of these. This is a simple but effective fashion store website, and we have two options as a pre-made website. And I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using the default WordPress theme as of now. And I'm going to install the Ubit WordPress theme here. First of all, I'm using the cPanel based hosting plan as always, and you can get all these things through the video description link. So I am assuming you have already taken a hosting and domain and you have configured the WordPress core. So let us proceed towards installation. Now in the theme pack, you'll get the demo data, the docs, the installable theme file. This is the file that we are going to use. The theme can be bought at themeforest.net through the video description link, and the cost is just $39. And this $39 you are going to get the quality checked by Elementor, the future updates. And since the theme developer is not providing any support, so you don't have to worry. We are providing all the supports regarding your WordPress website through the iCreate program. It is going to be free, and you can start chatting with a mentor directly here on the live chat, and you'll get all the responses, all the answers regarding your WordPress website. Yes, it is free. So you just need to buy the theme through the video description link at themeforest.net. The theme came into existence recently, I believe, and it has got a good reviews from its existing users, and it can be good for our target websites. So let us proceed, and we are going to discuss list all the things in this video itself about the Ubit WordPress theme. First step is to install the theme. To install the theme, we can simply head to the appearance section and open the themes area. Here we can add the theme, and we just need to select the installable theme file here, that is Ubit, and the version name and all. So simply click on install now. It will take a while in installing the theme depending upon your host capacity. So it is very quick. So and theme file size is really optimized, so you can expect a very quick installation. It got installed within seconds, and we can go to the theme page just to check the details further what we are using. So this is version 2.0.0, and I'm going to activate the theme. For activation, we have this alert. Okay, so we need to install the MySQL. Okay, so MySQL is actually installed on this hosting, but it is just an old version, and I'll handle it later. So let us proceed to the setup wizard to install the theme in all manners, and we can simply click on this link, and this is the setup wizard for the theme. So it is going to be very interactive. This setup wizard will set up your theme, install plugins and import the content. It is optional and should take only a few minutes. So let us start with this. To install the child theme, we can skip installing the child theme since we are not going to change any code part. So install plugins is the main area where we need to select the plugins that we want to have. Actually, by default, all the plugins has been by default selected. Elementor is the page builder that has been used. WooCommerce is of course here. These only two plugins are required. Rest are recommended only. So add to any share buttons is here. Contact Form 7 as usual. Elementor header and footer blocks has been given. In Market essential add-ons per Elementor. Instagram feed, MailChimp for WooCommerce, Max Mega Menu. So this is all good. Product slider and carousel with category for WooCommerce, recent post widget and thumbnails smart slider, variation swatches, the currency switcher, quick view, and wish list. Okay, so this is a great list, and we can install all these plugins simply by clicking on this button. I believe I have clicked on the install button, and I can see Elementor is installed within few seconds, and rest plugins are in process for installation. Okay, great. So one by one, plugins are getting installed automatically. I'm doing nothing actually. So green marks are a simple indicator that plugins are being installed correctly without an error, and I am just waiting on the screen for uh, completion message or for the next step, of course. And only last one is remaining now, and it hardly took 2 minutes for me for my installation for my environment that I am using. So it is recommended to use WordPress optimized hosting plan that you can get at WP Themes website. Through WP Theme website, you can get all the great hosting providers. Just explore the links given in the video description. Okay, great. So all the plugins has been installed successfully, and we are here at import content screen. So we have two options further, what we want to import, and by default for a fresh installation, all has been selected. So we are going to import the content widgets options, the smart slider, and after the import effect, simply click on start import. It is nothing technical about this, and you don't need any developer support for doing all these things. You can do all these things at your own, and you are going to create a e-commerce website at your own. And just in case if you need any support, so we are here for you. You don't need to pay anything. There is no fee for getting supports here on the iCreate program. You can simply join the program. Here are the onboarding connect options. Even you can explore the plans for rest of the services. So you can even start a direct chat without understanding anything. So you can ask questions with a mentor, and I believe a mentor is going to serve all the way what you want for a professional website. So links are in video description, and explore the links what you want to get, and you'll definitely take care. Right. So the demo import process is going on, and I believe it is going to take a while because it is importing the content, elements, images, and it is connected to developer server to bring all the demo steps at our installation. So just wait on this screen. Don't hit the back button or refresh the page. It is an automated process, and you have to wait until you are getting any message on the screen. Don't disturb the process. Okay, cool. So this is the message. All done. Have fun. Your theme has been all set up. Enjoy your new theme. So first of all, we need to visit our website, and I am eager to check our new and stunning fresh website, and it is here. So, okay, so we need to configure something, I believe. So on the home page, when I am trying to some customization, I mean finding area where we can edit the header area, I found that the slider alias has been used, and we can edit the slider part, and there is a HTML code has also been used. So we need to modify the respective page section as per our requirement. Rest things are fine, and so we just need to change sort code and what we want to actually display. And let us explore the rest of the pages. And if we talk about the internal page or in the product listing pages, if we randomly check this page, so this is product listing page. It is good, and the hover effect. And if we take a look of this single product listing, it is also good. So we just need to customize the home page as per our need, and it is now here. So it is very simple. However, you may need our support regarding this. So simply write in the comment section or get in touch directly with a mentor who can help you in customizing your homepage, just in case if it is required. Right. So coming back to the uh, dashboard area, I'll show you what options we have for customizations and in terms of theme options and rest of things. So AOV, it is AOV up. It's the variation charges for WooCommerce that you can configure, and customize according to your need. Like you can enable the color swatches, image swatches, and there are some pro options just in case if you are willing to go with the pro options. These sections are as common as in WordPress and WooCommerce website. You can take the reference from the existing product listing and follow the same pattern for uploading your product. And it is a good idea to override the data, product data. I mean, change the information with your own product, and it will be nice. It will be fine for launching your products here. Whether we have the product slider, if we are willing to configure here. So this is the sort code, and the product slider area is also here. So we can view it directly on the website. Uh, Next, I have all the common options. Mega menu is additionally here, and so we can implement the mega menu, the top bar menu, primary menu, and the footer menu. And menu themes can be used for if you are willing to implement the mega menu. Smart slider is here for editing the slider part on the website, so it is good. And just in case if you want to import the demos of sliders, so it is available in the theme pack itself. Like this is the demo data, and the complete slider option, I mean, it can be imported directly to the website. Like for importing the slider, what is available in the demo, so you can start a new project or and select the import your own file. So it is going to be super simple. You just need to select the file and it can be imported. And in the next option, we have Instagram feed options and also things that we may need, right? So the customizing the page contents is going to be again easy with the Elementor. So you can simply open the page using Elementor page builder and edit the respective part just by hovering and the area. What you have to keep in mind, just use the same dimension of image, same length of text content. So rest is going to be fine. So I believe you can do all these things, and you can launch a website using this Ubit WordPress theme. And just in case if you are willing any support, write in the comment section, and you may have further questions. So it is a good idea to connect on a live chat, and you have options to choose and compare other themes. So I am trying my level best to show all the insights of the theme, what I am using, how I am installing, and what you may also face during the installation process. But it may not be a complete guide, so it is really important to get in touch with us, and we can try to answer your best question according to your need. So let us meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.